Hello, namaste and welcome back to my channel. This is Raj Nandini and today's video is about another haul which is the mix of Amazon and Myntra. So actually I've included few products which is like a little older. It is not really recent, but then I really consider them to add in my haul because I want to show you guys how good these products are, and if you're looking forward to buying one of this, you can definitely go for this. And that is the reason I thought of including these products in my haul. So without talking much, I think I'll just get into the video. And first we are going to talk about Amazon products and then we are going to talk about Myntra products. So first I'm going to talk about Amazon, and these brushes are from Amazon. These are like only 450 or 500 something. I'll list the prices on the screen. So these brushes comes in this kind of a package, and if you can see, these are the set of 24 brushes, which is I would not really recommend. I mean, I really didn't like them. I just ordered because I thought they were cheap, and I can at least use some of these products because I go for high-end. If I go for high-end products like brushes, then they are going to be super expensive, which I really didn't want as of now. So I thought maybe I can just go for these products, these brushes, and they will be good, but I will not really recommend these brushes. If you are a beginner also, I won't really recommend these brushes. These bigger brushes are still fine. You can still manage with these, but these also you can only use for like powder or blush or contour or highlighter, but none of the brushes can be used as foundation. This is kind of a foundation brush, but I really don't use this kind of a foundation brush. I have another brush which I also bought from Amazon, but that was a year or 2 years back, so I would not really recommend these brushes. I mean, they are like not that good quality, and I don't use these kind of brushes, so I am really disappointed. I thought these brushes will be more buffing kind of a brushes, or but these are flat brushes. These are all like eye brushes. I mean, only 5 brushes are like face brushes and others are all eye brushes, and all the brushes are like flat, which I really don't recommend. So that's about the brushes. Next up I have is this beautiful bag by Manusan, and I got it. I got this on discount. I was really looking forward to a tote bag, and I had a tote bag, but then that was really old and it got torn, and So I really was looking forward to a tote bag, and this is really good. The quality, the color, and the space that you get in, and it is very stiff. So if you can see, these are like they have like a well balanced base for this. So it is very, very good, I would say. And they don't have anything inside. They just have a pocket, and the rest of the bag was like this. The best part is that this comes with a chain. So yeah, that's the bag, and I would highly recommend if you are looking something in like 1500. So yeah, you can go for this. This is really nice. It's very classy, comfortable, beautiful, and office wear also. Yeah. So these were the products from Amazon, and now we are going to go forward and we are going to look at the products from Myntra. So the first product from Myntra are these products. These are like Makeup Revolution palettes from Myntra, and I got these on discount. One palette is worth 950, but I got both the palettes in 950. That is like 50% discount. So these are really good, guys, and I will show you the pigments for this, and then you can figure out yourself that if these products are worth or not. So this is one colorful palette, and this one is more like a glamorous palette which has a lot of golden shimmers, and smoky colors going on. So I'll just show you a few colors from this palette. So as you can see, the pigment is really good and these products are really good. I'm also going to be reviewing this and making another video on a particular palette, so that you can also see how it turns out. By the way, for your information, right now the makeup that I did is of this palette, using this palette. So yeah, I would highly recommend. These are really good. I think these are really nice. So you can definitely check this out. I'll link all the links in my description so that you don't have any issues if you want to buy any of the products. I'm also going to show you the color for the pigment for this one. So yeah, as you can see, these are how they look. These are like really good. This is highly recommended if you want to buy the products. They are really good. Next, I have few footwears that I bought, and I want to show you guys because these are really comfortable. They are so classy. They are like really nice. I mean, so first footwear is this, and don't really it's a mess actually because I've used these. These are really nice, guys. I would like to show you the detailing of this, and this is something that I loved, and that is the reason I bought this. Classy, casual, and plus office going. So, and these are also like rainy, this is rubber, so this is like waterproof, and they are like beautiful. They're like really worth, guys. These are from Ginger, and my size is like 37 in it, and yeah. Next I have is this beautiful footwear by Dressberry, but for the price that I paid, I don't think these are worth it, because as I used them, तो सामने से जो है ना थोड़ा इसका निकल गया है. This is the nail paint that I have put here, but then I really like the detail of this golden chain over here, and the whole color, the tan color going on, and the small heel that I wanted like for office. I can't really I do wear heels sometimes, but I can't really wear heels every day because that's not that's painful. So I wanted something very office going, very so that is the reason I bought these. These are like really nice. Next I have here is this beautiful black sandal. by Dressberry, and I bought this a year ago, I guess. I just thought of including this in this haul because these are really nice, and if somebody is looking for an office going footwear, then they can definitely check this out, and they have like colors in this one as well. So this is like really nice. I love this one. I wanted something like this for a long time. Actually, mostly I was looking for a tan color, but the size in the tan was not available, and I thought, okay, fine, let me, get a black one, and I really like this one. It's really nice. This top is by Myntra, and this is a very lovely top. The color of this is like, bright pink, and I love this. They have like show pockets here, but yeah, and this is like office going, very nice, very beautiful top. The haul. I hope you liked the haul, and if you like the haul, then please like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.